Before planting begins with an ExactRate liquid fertilizer system, it is a good idea to enter your fertilizer rates into the display. In this video, I will show you how to enter 3 preset rates into the display and change rates while planting. To set a rate preset on the display, open the rate module on the Run page. Enter the desired rate into the keypad and close the keypad. Repeat for the other rate entries as desired. The ExactRate system software calculates an appropriate target pressure for the solution pump. While running in the field, the operator simply changes the rate by pressing in the Target Rates module and choosing a new rate from the 3 presets. The system will then adjust to match the new rate setting. Now you should be able to enter 3 preset rates into the display and change rates while planting.